I was walking from my mailbox back down my private drive, and my neighbor's, one of his pit bulls had attacked me and tore my legs up and knocked me out. And when I come to, he had my legs just shaking like a dish rag, and injured my arm. I had to get a plate put in it and surgery, and now I got to go through another surgery. And I'm just wondering what should I do, or how about doing it?
Thank you, Pauline. That sounds frightening.
It is.
That
it sounds
just
horrible.
Is scary. And Pauline didn't tell us how long ago that was, but obviously she was severely injured.
Well, and I hope that, Pauline, your neighbor who has a pit bull, I hope they have homeowners insurance. That's a way to try to get a recovery from the pit bull owner. Pit bulls are defined as a vicious animal. You don't have to prove that technically that the dog is a biter. They're just assumed to be a biter because it is a vicious animal under Alabama law. But I would try to make a claim against the neighbor's homeowner's insurance to try to get a recovery, and I'm very sorry that happened. It sounds absolutely terrible.
So there are certain breeds that are automatically, they don't get any hall passes.
That's right. Chihuahuas would not fit under the statute of a vicious animal, even though some would say that they would be. But I think pit bulls, is it Rottweilers, or are they also on there?
I think so. One of the first cases I had, one of the first dog bite cases I had, Pauline, was very similar to what you just described, except it was not a pit bull. It was described as one of the nicest dogs that just happened to be named Bud Light. All right, that was the dog's name, and it ripped a guy's finger off, who used to be a local manager here at Publix. Well, we got his vet records, and let me tell you, Bud Light wasn't a peaceful dog. Every time the dog came in, they had to put it down to do anything because he was so aggressive. So that's a way that a lawyer, Pauline, can help distinguish and show that even a dog who may not be like a pit bull or a Rottweiler is still a vicious dog. And so lawyers who do this know how to prove that. But that case right there, Pauline, you really need to get in touch with a lawyer, because homeowners should cover that type of injury.